So in this video we are going to do the conversion of what decimal to octal. So there is nothing but base 10 to base 8 we are going to convert. So here we are having two cases. One is without the decimal what happens, and with the decimal how we have to convert. Okay. So with the decimal point we'll do the second case. The first case is without the decimal point. So 175 is the number which is in decimal. We have to convert into octal. So how to, so we have to always go with the what division for this case. Whenever the without a decimal point, whenever they have given, so we have to divide. We divide with what the base, whatever the base is there, which is nothing but 8. So how to do that? See, 175 I have taken, divide with 8. So it will be 8 2s are 16, 1 carry, 8 1s are 8. What is the remainder? Remainder is 7. I hope you understood. So let me just elaborate here. So 175 is the number. You have to divide with 8. There 8 2s are 16 minus how much is there left out? 1. Bring this down 15. 8 1s are 8. Subtract. You will be getting 7 as the remainder, right? So this is what I have written over here. So the basic meaning here is that 8 into 21 plus 7 will give you the answer. Again I'll repeat, 8 into 21 plus 7 will give you the answer. The same division rule. So 8 is there into 21 plus 7 remainder if you do, you will get the 175 as the answer. Right. So same logic here. Again the next one. 8, how much did we go? 2s are 16. What is the remainder? Remainder is 5. Again if you want I'll do it. So 8 is there, 21 is there, 8 2s are 16, subtract, how much will you get? 5. This is the remainder. Okay, so same logic again, 8 2s are 16 plus the remainder. Next, so now 8 is not divisible, right? Because 8 we cannot take because it is a 2 is a smaller number. So we cannot consider that. So what we are going to do is that directly write what? The numbers. From starting from where? It is the starting from bottom to top you have to write. So in this case, whenever you are converting decimal to octal, the first case, always it is from the bottom to top. This case, I am talking about this case where decimal point is not there. Bottom to top, so which numbers you have to take? 5 and 7? No, you have to start from 2, 5, then 7. 2 you have to consider since it is not divisible by 8, so we have to take it from 2 5 7. See, if you are getting confused with the 2 5 7, so what you can do, you can do one more step here. If you are getting confused, otherwise you have to consider 257 as the answer. So answer is 257. From bottom to top you have to write the base will be 8. This is the final answer, but still 8 is not divisible, but still you can consider 8 zeros are right, 8 zeros are 0. Since 2 is not divisible, see 2 is inside, 8 is outside, 8 zeros are 0, subtract, you will get the remainder as 2. The same remainder I have written here. So 8 into 0 plus 2 is 2. Now you can directly see from here, bottom to top, if I go, I will be getting what? 257. If you are getting confused from the previous case, you can write like this. Otherwise, go with the previous one only. Avoid this 0. Just directly 257 you can write. The same thing, same thing. Now let us go for one important problem, which is nothing but here we have got one what? Decimal point. So what happens if I get decimal point? Here we have to go for the multiplication. Always remember multiplication with what? 8. So you have to take 0.15, whatever the number is there, multiply with 8, you will be getting the answer as what? 1.20. Always remember it should be in the form of 0 point something. In the question also it is directly given 0 point. We will take up the problem where it is not given 0 point something. But always remember whenever you are multiplying with 8 or 2 or 16, whatever we have done previously also, we have to consider it 0 point something. So here since it is not 0 point something, you have to bring it in 0.20 form. So where is that 1 gone? 1 you can write it as carry 1. Very important step. Okay. Now we have to take this number 0.20 because I cannot take 1.20 and multiply with 8. As I said, the condition is nothing but 0 point has to be taken to multiply with 8. So it will be 0.20 into 8 will be 1.60. So this 1.60 you can write it as what? 0.60 and write carry 1. Next you have to take 0.60 into 8, you have to multiply. You will be getting it as 4.80. Then you have to write 0.80 carry how much? 4. So whatever number is there, that you have to write it as carry. If it is 0 also, that you have to write it as carry 0. So since it is increasing order, so it will go on. Okay. But the final step should be always what? 0.0 you should get it here. Because we have done this problem in binary also. Kindly see that video also. It's the same procedure. Procedure is same. Only thing is that this 8 will come here because since it is octal. For binary it will come 2. But the steps are same. Okay, so you can see that videos also. So here one different thing is that here you have to write from top to bottom. So whenever decimal point is involved and you are doing multiplication, from top to bottom you have to write. What top to bottom? The numbers from top to bottom. So can I directly write 114 and just leave it and write it as octal? No, you cannot write. The question given is 0 point something, 0.15. So answer should also be 0 point something. So this will be the correct answer. But this is not the exact correct answer because we have stopped here itself in this step itself. As I said, the answer should always stop in what? This form 0 0.0. So in this step you should get 0 0.0. But it is in increasing order. You can see 1.20, 1.60, then 4 we are getting. Again you will get some higher value. So that means we cannot keep on going till we'll get this thing 0 0.0. This 0 0.0 example I have done in what binary also is the same step. So there we have to stop. Since we are not stopping at 0 0.0, you can just put the approximate value, right? You can just write approximately it is equal to this value. But the most important thing is that you have to put 0.114 because in the question it was given 0 point something. The answer also will be in 0 point something. What happens if we get 1 point something? That's the main important question. See, suppose the question is, see here we took which question? Which was the question? 0.15, right? So I'll take 1.15. So what happens if I take 1.15? So base 10 we have to convert into base 8. So again the same procedure, but the thing is that here 1 point came. Same procedure will follow because we have to take 0.15 and multiply with 8. So here also we have done the same procedure, 0.15 into 8, same procedure will carry on. So answer will have this approximate value as what? 0.114 as the answer it will be. But can I write 1 directly over here? Yes, you can write 1 directly over here. So if it is 1 point something in decimal, you have to convert it to octal. It is nothing but 1 point that thing only. Now what happens if I am having what? 7.15 convert into 8. So here also same thing. 0.15 you will take into 8 you will do same procedure. The answer will have 114 here. And what happens here? 7 can I write? Yes, 7 you can write. Because in octal we are having the numbers till what? 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.